Let's make some perfectly spooky Halloween hot dog mummies for Halloween.
Pop the pizza dough.
Wow. Next, roll out the dough. Fuck.
Now cut the dough.
Now to wrap up these hot dogs like they're little mummy hot dog men. Now the trick is to save a little space up top so you have a space to put his mummy eyeballs.
Mummy dogs in.
Mummies out.
Perfectly prepared mummies. Now we'll add a couple of these eyeballs to these mummies.
Wow. Perfectly prepared mummy dogs.
Jaeger bombs!
Who wants a mustache ride?
Cola boys!